Greetings one and all, welcome back to my channel here today, where I'm going to be making a video on my first use of my brand new, just unboxed Ryobi 18 volt line trimmer, or as I call them, I don't know if it's the right terminology anymore, I've always called these whippersnippers. So it's kind of a bit of a follow-up on my 18 volt lawnmower video. Some of you might have seen that. So I've stuck with the Ryobi because the batteries are interchangeable. I did actually want another battery, so you can buy these separate without the battery, but I actually bought mine with a new battery, unfortunately with a charger as well, which I don't need two chargers. But anyway, it didn't take much assembling. All I had to do was attach this handle with a simple wing nut thingy, too easy, and just this guard down on this end, which just snapped into place. That's too easy. Now this particular model, just let me turn it up, it just comes with that one cord, and apparently it's going to automatically release more cord as needed. And these units here, you don't actually have to wind new cord on when it runs out. You just buy these units like in 2 or 3 packs or something, and simple as. There's my battery. So all I have to do is snap that battery into place, and we should be ready to go. I'll quickly just show you what I'm going to be asking of this little machine. Hopefully it's up to it. I'm sure it will be for this part. Just this long sort of grass that's up against the side of the walls of my unit here. Come around a bit out to the sun. You see right along here. Excuse the air conditioning. Yeah, I just haven't been able to get the mower right up against there, so I'm going to be trying to trim that up. Now the hard job I'm going to be asking it to do, and we'll see there's this long grass here along the fence too where my passion fruits are growing, but the really hard job I'm going to be asking it to do is up against my back fence here. I went away to Africa for a few months, and when I came back these weeds had sort of taken over along the fence. And they're quite thick and woody, and if you try and push that little mower into that, it just dies every time. So I pulled all my pots out away from the wall, see where they were, because the weeds are sort of grown around them as well. Right up into this corner where I've got my lemon tree up the back there. Yeah, I'm going to try and see if it'll tidy all that up. Fingers crossed. I don't know how it'll go. I might be asking too much for such a little thing, but yeah, we'll soon find out. Alrighty guys, so here we are a bit later on. I actually, I haven't quite finished the job, but I did abandon it for a bit because it got so bloody hot actually. So, but yeah, I'm just showing it's a lot neater along here beside the wall of the unit. Let's have a look along here where my passion fruits are. Looks heaps better. There's still, I've still got more tidying up to do obviously, but yeah, it's looking good. So this is that corner bit. My pots now, you can see them. The plants, they're all basically almost covered by those weeds. My citruses. And yeah, very, very happy with that Ryobi line trimmer, weed whacker, whippersnipper, whatever you want to call it. And this is what it's all about, folks. It's a big thing here in Australian culture, the Aussie backyard. I've got a small one, but yeah, nothing we love better. Hanging out, cooking cooking a steak on the barbie. This is my lunch here. I don't know if you can see it with the shadow. Listening to Australia beat the English in the Ashes test on the radio. Fantastic. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy some of my videos, could you help us out by subscribing? That'd be great. If you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.